Let me share a new problem. This is a classic interview question from cracking the coding interviews or anywhere. So I just picked up this one. This would be the question.
Oh, I think I read this on the website you gave.
It's pretty common interview question being asked by everyone. Design an algorithm to find the smallest k numbers in an array. So there are many ways to solve. Easiest one is sort. Use quick sort or merge sort or any sorting technique. So the data is sorted and pick up k numbers means, say like example, if you have sorted data like this, something like that, you need to pick up k value. The k value is 3 means the output should be 1, 4, 7. That's it, right? Because these, sorry, 5.
5.
These 3 are the 3 smallest values. They can also
It
ask you
starts from 1
largest.
or 0?
Oh, this is value. It's not index, it's
But
the
it
value.
is the okay.
The value can be 3, 4, 5 also. You can give 3, 4, 5. Oh, k is not value. K is number of elements.
Okay.
So if they can ask you largest, what do we do? This is the smallest values. For the largest,
Go through the whole index. Right?
this
The range.
last three, that's it.
Oh, okay.
But you should give them in reverse order, right? But still, array is very easy. If you sort it, give for smallest values, give 0, 1, 2 indexes. Largest values, give n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 indexes. But what is the time complexity to do the sorting itself? It is
Oh,
if you use quick sort. No, what is the complexity for quick sort? Quick sort or merge sort? Same, right? The time complexity is n log n. If you have a million elements, you still need its average case. N into log n. So it's always over million comparisons, swappings, all that you need to do. Yeah, in the merging, merge, divide, and then merge still
to do
takes
that.
logarithmic. So n log n. But if you use heap, we have already seen it should be log n into log n. It's still way
Log
better.
n is the height.
Height.
Yeah.
It's still way better compared to multiplying with 1 million. Because 1 million is technically 2 power 32 or 64. So it's still below 100 compared to 1 million. Okay. So just keep that in mind. But this is not present in any book. In general, some books give you height or some books might give you simply n, but it's not exact n. Please keep that in mind and present to the interviewer. Remember, books are also written by authors. They could make mistakes or they may generalize too much. But I would disagree with it. If you do the simulation or if you practically debug the code, you will see in a big way terms, it is definitely not same as quick sort. Heap is faster, Heapify is faster, much faster than this. Now let's come back to shit. Okay. Uh, Implementation, which is already known to you, right? If you need to do min heap, sorry, if you need to find smallest k, smallest, you need to use min heap and delete that root node 3 times. That's it.
Yeah.
If you need to get the max heap, you need to do that. Delete the root node for 3 times.
Maxi.
Max heap root
Yeah.
node for 3 times. As simple as it is, right? That's the application of heaps. Same way, if you want to, in any company, if you want to save company costs, I'll simply go and see who is the highest paid employee. If he has an alternative with low salary, delete him.
Yeah.
So in that case, the financial expert needs to have a max heap of salaries. Those employees whose salary is top in that particular level, create a heap and then delete the top guy if I have an alternative, and delete as many as per the company's business financial values. Cool. So, but this is a real world application. Although the case study is negative, but the application is like that. You can use it. Any questions? So same thing, and in the interview, you need to just write this code. You don't need to write the complete code uh, based on the time, but interviewer would be curious to see whether you will use it. Is inbuilt priority queue in this C++, we already knew how to implement the priority queue as well. So just understand the name, don't confuse. Internally, it has, if you use internal priority queue, we use this just for the example sake, but both are not same. Ideally, C++ has used binary heap to implement priority queues. That's why we interchange the terminologies. Okay. So if you write code for one of the operations, mostly this one, that's enough. Unless there is, until this portion. This is what usually interviewer is expecting for. But if he doesn't have any other questions, you should continue until the main. But it's not too difficult. But better prepare for both. Keep in mind, this is what interviewers look for. All right. Any questions
No.
on this topic? Same way you can do hundreds of such questions, but always remember whenever any interview question is related to kth or highest or largest, something like that, definitely it
Usually
involves
binary.
heap. Yeah, binary heap. It can be min or max heap. That's all about the interview questions. Now, if you go to lead code, you will have 100 to 200 questions on this same topic. If you solve one program or 100, it doesn't matter. Thought process is important, which we have already done in our previous 2 programs.